Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove your cards from Amazon Prime Video, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the desktop version, and I'll be explaining this for the desktop version only. It is kind of similar for the mobile version as well, and you can use that if you want to use it. And that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure you can't use other devices to modify your payment information, but you can test that out. If there is a way, you can let us know in the comments below. But to remove your card, all you have to do once you've logged into the site, hover over your profile icon, go into account and settings. Then once you're here under your account, you'll see your membership information. Go into manage wallet, and here you can click on whichever card you want to extend the menu or the information, and then just click remove. You might be prompted to confirm that you want to remove it, and once you've done that, your card will be removed. If you want to add another one, you can just go into credit or debit cards, click this, and enter a new card with its information, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.